Hey guys, happy Friday! It is 4 o'clock. This is my second break, but my first walk break, although I did walk 2 miles at lunch with my friend. Here's my outfit of the day. Two of my absolute favorite pieces. I gotta tell you guys, the carrot cake oatmeal was amazing. So good, so good. The key is you have to heat. Wow. Okay. My gosh. Something just passed. You can't even tell, but some vehicle just passed and it looked like something passed on fire because there was so much smoke. That was really bizarre. Anyway, the carrot cake oatmeal, just make sure to heat the carrots in the microwave first for 2 minutes so they can cook a little bit. It's amazing. It's so, so good. And the one pot Italian chicken pasta leftovers that I froze, they are reheating okay. The pasta's a little softer than it should be, but other than that, it tastes great and it's totally edible and it totally works for me when I need to rush and have something to eat. So I'm thinking about going to the gym at some point today, but I've got stuff to do with Eddie, so I'm not sure if I can go like directly after work. And if it doesn't happen directly after work, there's a pretty good chance it's not gonna happen, but I would like to, I'm hoping to, but we'll see. I just feel really good that I at least joined the gym again, got a jump start yesterday, and I think next week I'm gonna go with Monday, Wednesday, Friday workouts. So that's my plan. I don't know what you guys think about pot and whether it's legal or not where you are, but I'm in a park with kids and I just passed somebody who's just outright smoking pot and it stinks so bad. I hate the smell of pot. So I haven't told you guys yet, but I'm planning to start intermittent fasting again on Monday. I'm absolutely looking forward to it. I actually loved it when I was intermittent fasting because intermittent fasting is so good for your body. It produces hormones that help burn fat, but also it helps you crave less. It helps you focus less on food. It helps me eat less, and I also eat better. I have more energy when I do intermittent fasting, and I'm able to do intermittent fasting totally in conjunction with Weight Watchers. In case you're wondering, intermittent fasting is actually just eating within a specific time window. So I usually fast for 16 hours and then eat within, what is that, an 8-hour time window. So once the 8-hour time window is up, then I stop eating for the night and then I don't eat again until the next afternoon, usually about 2 or 3 o'clock. So my body has adjusted to this pretty quickly in the past, and so I'm looking forward to being comfortable with this probably by Wednesday. I'm going to be using Teamy Teas to help tide me over in the morning. I will have first my cup of coffee and then I'll be having Teamy Tea, at least 1 to 2 tumblers of Teamy Tea until I break my fast at 2 or 3 p.m. So I'm super excited to start that next week. I hope it just kind of jars my body into losing a couple pounds. I mean, I just need to lose about 5 pounds and I'd be super happy. My body's really hanging on to it right now, which is not a surprise because I am so close to my goal weight, my ultimate goal weight, where I want to be, where my body thinks it needs to be. I'm close to all of that. So it's not surprising that my body is really holding on to everything right now, but I'm hoping that the intermittent fasting, along with starting to run again in the gym, between those two things, I can just drop just a few pounds. That's all I need. Just a couple. So I'm getting very highly motivated. Okay, it's quitting time. Quitting time. I'm headed home. I don't really feel like working out. I don't really feel like running, but that's okay because Eddie and I are actually gonna go do a video together. So I think you guys will like that just as much. My body won't, but I still feel pretty happy that I was able to start the gym and start running again yesterday, and I know that next week my goal is to run on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So if that can happen, that would be amazing. I know I also want to work in some movies. Yeah, I want to do some movies. I want to have some Juli ceramics time, and of course I work on Tuesday nights. So I need to figure out how to balance all of this and work this running into my schedule, because I know I can do it, but I want to do it all. I want everything. There's so much that I want to do and so little time. But anyway, so I'm headed to go make a video with Eddie. I'm meeting him in Pasadena, and I don't know what the plan is after that. Probably I need to go home and make this crock-pot cabbage roll soup, because I have the ingredients for it and I need to make it before the ingredients go bad. I have the ingredients for the crock-pot cabbage roll soup, and I think I have the ingredients for the green chili enchilada. I'm not sure about the chicken on that. It depends on if Eddie has chicken left over. And then I also have the ingredients for the orange chicken. So, I mean, I've got stuff to make. I just need to be home to make it and not not be too tired to make it. So anyway, I don't know what's in store for the rest of today. I'll let you know shortly. You know there are guys right there.
Yeah, I know. I see them. Whoa!
Oh.
It's okay.
That's the new DJ I download.
Here, hold this.
I'm gonna try and jump for it, but it was
Yeah.
It's like, wait.
I think it landed in the...
Yeah, it's in the upper one.
Oh,
upper one. Here, hold
man.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is it waterproof?
No. The camera is though. At least
is,
at least we got footage of that.
Oh my god, wait, you lost an arm too. Holy shit.
Wow.
Damn.
What are you guys taking pictures of?
Oh, we just are doing a random cosplay shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, those guys that were here earlier, huh?
Yeah, they went to go get Starbucks.
Yeah.
In the middle of my shoot.
How dare they? How dare they?
That is what they do, right?
Well, I'm glad we're here to entertain you.
Yeah, I was about to.
How is it?
Huh?
How is it?
Well, it's missing an arm, but it's the arm that I had the replacement piece for it, though.
Oh, okay, good. A little bit of water.
Maybe we'll just need a big...
Put it in some rice.
Yeah, a big bag of rice, right?
Put it in rice.
Actually, got further than I expected. There's a poor signal here.
Yeah, bad signal.
Yeah, I saw it getting closer. I was like, they're not gonna hit.
It's not gonna hit that, no way.
You're like, he knows what he's doing, right? Yeah,
Well,
it
normally
can't.
I do.
How's the camera?
Yeah, I would be. The arm somewhere over here. Where the hell did the arm go?
Well, since I'm already wet, might as well.
Oh my gosh.
Might be in that top.
Wow. I am so not getting in there. Do you have to have the arm?
Do I have to have an arm? Well, there's 4 propellers.
Yeah, it might be
Oh. Wow,
in
that
there.
totally crashed.
I found it.
Oh, you did?
All right.
Oh no, that's a glue.
Oh.
Damn. I found one with the propellers.
Oh, that's okay. Well, if you know what the propellers are, It's funny, I've done a lot of photo shoots over here and I've always wanted to get in here.
And you've never actually stepped inside. Oh my gosh, he's soaking wet. His drone crashed and lost like a whole arm. So he's looking for the arm of the drone. You don't see it?
No.
Oh man, if you get in, I'm gonna laugh. You're like, no, don't get it.
I don't see it
It's
anywhere.
somewhere. It's okay. We'll just replace it.
Yeah, you said you have a replacement
Yeah.
prop? Or,
Doesn't anybody else want to get in? You guys.
I'm surprised none of
Come
you guys
on.
took pictures of that.
I don't want to
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna record some other person.
Oh, you know what?
Fly their drone.
So like,
That would have been awesome.
Session one time, and it was a slippery floor, so I had the bride put their.
oh, it's over here.
Did you find it? Awesome.
Is it in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, then I'll go get it.
Oh no, it's a whole arm, not a propeller. Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, you found the propeller?
Yeah, it's a prop. It has a propeller too.
Yeah,
No.
so
Oh.
it was a real slippery floor, and the bride slipped and fell on the ground, and like the groom was over there like, "Oh baby, are you okay?" And I'm like, click, click, click.
I did a football
gosh.
game one time. I worked for the yearbook for my school. I just graduated this year, and I was doing the football game, and my friend was like kind of guiding me because I was looking at the screen and walking with him, just keep it range. And I eat shit, and I'm on the camera, just getting led by my friend, just falling with the controller.
Was that the best video ever?
I
Yeah.
wish I still had it. I don't have access to the school database anymore. So
Oh
I'm out.
man, you should have saved that one. Where's your shoes?
Over there.
Oh, right there. Ah, bummer.
Well, that ends the drone flying for the night.
I guess we're
For the
done.
week, maybe.
For the week, at least. Maybe the month.
Keys to
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have your keys, Rachel.
That's
Yeah.
unfortunate.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay, that was kind of sad, but that was also a really cool drone crash. Like, whoa. Like one of the most beautiful fountains in California, and our drone crashed into it. I feel sad for the drone, and I feel sad for Eddie. I think the drone lost like an entire arm, not just a propeller, but an arm. So it's out of commission for a while, but that's the first time I've ever seen it fly. So that was really cool. I was very impressed. And even the crash was very impressive. So anyway, I'm going to find myself some salmon salad. I'm gonna bring a burger home for Eddie, and that's what's on the menu for Friday night at the Almanza house. Salmon salad again. I know, don't laugh, Sally. I can't help it. I can't help it. I crave this stuff. I crave it. It's so good. So good.